This is the Very Best Wishes Sentiment Stamp and Die set from Spellbinders. There are 4 different dies in this set as well as 1 stamp, and there's one of those dies that coordinate with that stamp set to cut them all out. That stamp set will cut out or will stamp 8 different sentiments all at once, and then the die will cut it out. The great thing about the coordinating stamp and die set is you can use any different cardstock or inks to do your sentiments and your sub-sentiments, so you can really customize it to your project. Here I'm using an embossing ink, and then I'm using some embossing powder to emboss those sentiments before I die cut them. This gives it an extra little bit of shine and dimension. Here I'm using some gold embossing powder, and obviously you can use whatever color you want, but it's a great way to coordinate and add metallic touches to those sub-sentiments. The wishes part of the die set has 3 different layers. You have the wishes, and then there's a shadow, and then there's a second shadow to it. And you can pick and choose whether you want to use 1 shadow or 2. Just depends on the design I'm going for and the look that I'm going for as to which I choose. Here I'm choosing to use all 3 layers, and I do it with 1 metallic layer just to add a little bit of metallic shine, then a white layer in between, and then 1 dye or ink blended with some interference ink, so it has some beautiful shimmer to it. Pairing that with one of the sub-sentiments creates a really unique and interesting sentiment for different cards. I love how you can mix and match and pair them perfectly with each design that you create. It's a fun and great set that's going to get lots of use.